Are you using Paysend to send money internationally? Do you ever wonder if your account is truly secure? You're not alone. In an age where digital scams and fraud are on the rise, it's more important than ever to take control of your financial security. While Paysend has robust security measures in place, the first and last line of defense is always you. So, how do you make sure your Paysend account is a fortress? Let's break it down into 3 simple, yet powerful steps. First, let's talk about the basics, your password. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, you shouldn't use a weak password. Don't use your birthday, your pet's name, or 123456. Instead, create a strong, unique password for your Paysend account. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And here's a pro tip, consider using a password manager to securely store your credentials. Next up, embrace two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is a game changer for account security. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection, requiring not just your password, but also a unique code sent to your phone or email. This means that even if a scammer gets hold of your password, they can't access your account without that second code. It's easy to set up in the Paysend app, and it's one of the most effective ways to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, stay vigilant. Be aware of phishing scams, those fake emails or messages that try to trick you into giving away your personal details. Paysend will never ask you for your password, PIN, or one-time codes. If you receive a suspicious message, do not click on any links. Instead, go directly to the official Paysend website or app. Remember, if an offer or request seems too good to be true, it probably is. By taking these 3 steps, using a strong password, enabling 2FA, and staying vigilant against scams, you're not just protecting your money, you're taking a proactive role in your own financial safety. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.